Hello, and welcome back. This YouTube channel is all about uncovering great remote job opportunities that you can chase from the cozy confines of your home sweet home. In this video, we're going to explore how you can earn $4,500 per month and beyond without requiring a degree, all while honing your skills in AI. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the exciting world of informational exploration and creativity. Relevant skills in an AI-dominated landscape. As AI continues to advance and become more integrated into various industries and sectors, certain skills will become increasingly relevant for individuals to thrive in the AI-driven workforce. These skills complement the capabilities of AI and automation technologies, enabling individuals to collaborate effectively with AI systems, leverage data-driven insights, and adapt to the changing demands of the digital economy. Here are some skills that will be more relevant with the rise of AI. Domain expertise. Deep domain expertise in specific industries or fields remains valuable in the AI-driven workforce. Individuals who possess specialized knowledge, insights, and experience in areas such as healthcare, finance, engineering, or law can leverage AI to enhance decision-making, optimize processes, and drive innovation within their respective domains. Creativity and innovation. While AI excels at automating routine tasks, creativity and innovation are uniquely human traits that AI struggles to replicate. Individuals who can think creatively, generate novel ideas, and envision alternative solutions will be essential for driving innovation and differentiation in an AI-driven world. Communication skills. Clear and effective communication skills are essential for conveying complex ideas, collaborating with diverse teams, and presenting findings or recommendations in a compelling manner. Individuals who can communicate technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders and bridge the gap between AI experts and end users will be highly valued. By developing these skills, individuals can position themselves for success in the AI-driven workforce, where collaboration between humans and AI systems is increasingly common. Embracing a mindset of continuous learning, adaptability, and ethical responsibility will be essential for navigating the opportunities and challenges presented by the rise of AI. Content creator and writer. One example of a job linked to all these skills is the job of content creator and writer. Content creators and writers produce engaging and informative content, including articles, blog posts, social media content, and marketing materials that resonates with target audiences. They leverage their creativity, communication skills, and domain expertise to craft compelling narratives, convey complex ideas, and drive audience engagement. The job of content creator and writer is likely to continue existing even as AI technologies advance. While it's true that AI can generate some forms of writing and video content, there are several factors to consider that suggest human content creators and writers will remain in demand. Creativity and originality. AI-generated content often lacks the depth, emotion, and creativity that human writers bring to their work. Content creation requires storytelling skills, originality, and a unique perspective that is difficult for AI to replicate. Audience engagement. Human content creators can connect with audiences on a personal level, understanding their preferences, interests, and emotions. They can tailor content to resonate with specific target demographics, fostering engagement and building relationships with readers or viewers. Complexity and nuance. While AI can produce generic content based on predefined patterns or templates, human writers excel at conveying complex ideas, nuances, and subtleties in language. They can adapt their writing style, tone, and voice to suit different contexts and audiences, addressing diverse topics and themes with depth and authenticity. Brand identity and values. Content creators play a crucial role in shaping and maintaining a brand's identity, voice, and values. They develop content strategies, storytelling frameworks, and messaging guidelines that align with the brand's objectives and resonate with its target audience. Quality control and editorial oversight. Human writers provide quality control and editorial oversight to ensure the accuracy, clarity, and coherence of content. They review, revise, and refine drafts, incorporating feedback and revisions to enhance readability and effectiveness. Specialized expertise. Content creators often possess specialized expertise or domain knowledge in specific industries, topics, or niches. They provide insights, analysis, and commentary that add value to their content and establish them as thought leaders within their respective fields. AI-powered writing tools. While AI technologies can assist content creators in various ways, such as automating routine tasks, generating data-driven insights, or suggesting content ideas, they are unlikely to replace the creativity, intuition, and human touch that defines the art of content creation. Instead, AI tools can complement human creativity, freeing up time for creators to focus on higher-level tasks, strategic planning, and audience engagement. As a result, the role of content creator-writer is expected to evolve rather than disappear entirely, adapting to the changing landscape of technology and media consumption. Several AI-powered writing tools can assist in generating content for blog posts by providing suggestions, generating outlines, or even helping with writing paragraphs. These tools often require some level of input and editing from the user to create high-quality and original content. Examples of such AI-powered writing tools are OpenAI's GPT-3 and Up. GPT-3 is a free version and is a powerful language generation model that can be used to assist in writing blog posts by generating text based on prompts provided by the user. SEO-Writing.AI. SEO-Writing.AI, or SEO Writing Assistant, is a tool designed to help writers optimize their content for search engines. It provides real-time recommendations and suggestions based on SEO best practices, ensuring that your content meets the criteria for higher rankings in search engine results. SEO-Writing.AI is an AI writing tool for generating one-click SEO-optimized articles, blog posts, and affiliate content. It's available in 48 languages, auto-posted to WordPress with AI images. You can easily create a blog post with just one click. I will briefly show you how you can generate a blog post with one click. Let's create a blog post about Etsy. Let the main keyword generate a title for you. Customize the language, size, and tone of your article to suit your preferences. You have the option to select a perspective. I opted to have the tool generate a blog post from the second-person point of view, utilizing you, your, and yours. Opt to include generated images and decide their placement within the post. Because I am working on the free version of this tool, AI image generation is unfortunately not an option. But you can choose to upgrade your version to a pro plan, and I picked some images from the website of Etsy. You can incorporate NLP keywords seamlessly into your content for enhanced optimization. NLP keywords refer to specific words or phrases that are relevant in the context of natural language processing, NLP. In NLP, keywords are often used to identify important concepts, sentiments, or topics within a body of text. These keywords help NLP algorithms understand and interpret human language more effectively by extracting key information and identifying patterns. NLP keywords play a crucial role in tasks such as text classification, sentiment analysis, information retrieval, and summarization. You can opt to craft a hook in the introduction and then proceed to make additional decisions regarding the structure of the blog post. Hooks are designed to pique the reader's curiosity and encourage them to continue reading the rest of the content. I decided to go for the question hook. You can choose to connect and publish your blog post directly to your website. You can schedule publishing your article, publish it right away, or save it as a draft. Add some tags, add a featured image option, choose your language model, and run the generation. Wait a minute for the generation process to finish and check out the final finish. The result is a well-structured, SEO-optimized blog post, tailored for first-page rankings about Etsy and its essentials. It showcases unique handmade and vintage finds available on the website. This meticulously crafted post includes headers, lists, and valuable insights for aspiring sellers. The link to this generated blog post with images can be found in the description box below. The second beneficial feature I want to highlight is bulk article generation. This tool allows you to create up to 100 articles at once, making it ideal for busy periods. By inputting your main keywords and niche, you can generate a batch of articles for the next 100 days. Simply add your keywords, and the tool will generate titles and content. Then you can run the process to create multiple articles simultaneously. This saves time and effort, allowing you to schedule posts in advance and streamline your content creation process. SEO Writing offers a step-by-step use of blog post generation, and you get their gift of 5,000 words. Or you pay just $19 per month or $12 per month when billed annually. And enjoy 50 article generations, right up to 100,000 words per month. Access the one-click blog post feature. Utilize bulk generation for quicker content creation. Activate AI-powered SEO mode for better optimization. Automatically post to your WordPress website and easily embed YouTube videos. The link to this AI tool is also in the description box below. Monetization. Monetizing a blog involves various strategies to generate revenue from your content. Affiliate marketing. Partner with companies and promote their products or services through affiliate links in your blog posts. You'll earn a commission for every sale or referral made through those links. Display advertising. Utilize ad networks like Google AdSense to display ads on your blog. You'll earn money based on the number of clicks, pay-per-click, or impressions, pay-per-impression, the ads receive. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands to create sponsored blog posts or reviews. They'll pay you to feature their products or services and reach your audience. Sell digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or exclusive content to your audience. Offer services. Use your blog to showcase your expertise and offer consulting, coaching, or freelance services related to your niche. Membership or subscription model. Offer premium content or membership access to your audience for a recurring fee. By diversifying your monetization strategies and providing value to your audience, you can build a sustainable income stream from your blog as a content creator. While these tools can help streamline the writing process, it's important to note that they are meant to assist human writers rather than replace them entirely. Users should still review and edit the generated content for accuracy, coherence, and originality. Human editors play a crucial role in refining AI-generated content to resonate with the audience and maintain the brand's voice. Creating valuable and insightful content is essential, as search engines prioritize user-centric content. By combining the strengths of AI technology with human creativity, bloggers can produce captivating and high-quality content more efficiently and effectively than previously thought possible. And that's it for today. Don't forget to check out the description box with all the information you need to enhance your skills in AI, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.